Now I want to make a payment for GOtv Plus, which goes for 999 shillings. Let me show you how we are going to make this payment and get connected, and all the payment I'm going to do it in app. So for you to make the payment and get connected, just simply click on reconnect, and here we are asked to pay 999 shillings. Tap on pay now. Now from here I'll be redirected to the payment method that I registered my app with, which is Mpesa, using my Mpesa number. And here now I have to select the payment option. With the app you can choose to pay either using Mpesa or Visa. So tap on Mpesa if you are making the payment using Mpesa. Now from here you are supposed to have your amount in your Mpesa wallet and the line in your smartphone, so that you can receive a pop-up message and just enter your PIN. So let's tap on continue. Confirm. You have to confirm your Mpesa number. If the number is correct, just click on continue and wait for it to process. As you can see, I'm now just supposed to enter the PIN because the push notification has already picked my account number, and therefore the payment has been made. And as you can see, the Mpesa message has been received as having paid 999 shillings to GOtv Kenya Limited. But as you can see, the payment status is still pending. So for us to confirm our payment, we need just to refresh through the app, and the payment should be able to be picked. Now you can see the payment status is successful. Go ahead and tap on done. So with the time, the disconnected message will disappear, but as you can see, the countdown is on, and today I paid on 5th of November, and therefore I have 29 viewing days left, which means the services are on. From here you should be able to get your channels and start viewing. But in case your channels are not back again, the only thing you need to do, and you are getting an error, the only thing you need to do after making the payment is to take a quick action, and one of the most important action is to fix errors. So tap on errors if your channels have not yet returned. And one of the common error is service is currently scrambled, which is E16. For you to fix your television or your channels, just simply tap on it and then tap on fix now. From here, tap on done. Now if you refresh your account, you can see now the disconnected status has disappeared, and now I am connected and I have 29 viewing days left. So everything is okay. Great. Now go back to your television, and now you should be able to have your channels, all your channels for the package up and running. With these few steps, you will be able to make the payment and fix errors on your television set. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.